We have an X5 here. This vehicle came in here for a coolant leak, and after doing the diagnostics, it is from the mechanical water pump unit that's leaking, so we're going to replace that along with a few old hoses this car has, and ready to go.
Rolls Royce Wraith. It's been in an unfortunate auto accident. This is going through insurance, so right now we're doing the teardown process. They already came and inspected the vehicle before we even touched it, so they're gonna come again after we remove the parts. It has significant damage. As you can see, the grille is bent. The front fenders are damaged, the bumper, the driver's side suspension was all torn up. It was not drivable when it came to us. We actually ordered up the arms within 1 day, put them on, car's drivable again. Got it drivable, we're gonna do a teardown, see the damage, go through insurance, repair this car back to factory spec.
We have a Chevy Cruze here. Came in this morning for brakes, front brake pads, rotors, along with service. Also, rear brake drums and shoes have been replaced on this car. Car's good to go. We finished everything already. Another busy day at RDBLA.
It's actually my second time here. Got the Bugatti, Lambo, Rolls Royce, RDB.
Alright, so we got another Rolls Royce Wraith here. We're currently actually doing 2 of them, almost matching. It's got the same theme, but 2 different wheels. This one right now we're focusing on, we're finishing it up. We just wrapped the hood of the car satin black. Now, we originated this theme on this vehicle where the top half is either satin black or matte black. We did it many years ago. We see a lot of them out there being done now, and we do at least 2 a week at this point. So, just want to show you guys something here when you open the hood. So you see the side of the hood right here, it's all wrapped. This car is a metallic gloss black, so this would be all metallic gloss black if we did not wrap it. But now it looks good, especially with this Rolls Royce with the fender, it has a gap. So if you don't do that, you're gonna be seeing the original color under there. So it's those little details that count, the experience that goes into these cars. We've done a lot of them. So if you're interested on modifying your Rolls Royce, you know where to go.
So we have a Bentley here. This car is in here for a tire repair. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna repair the tire, patch it, balance it, and get this car back on the road.
Alright, so we got another Rolls Royce Wraith behind me. This one was in a serious front end accident. You guys saw it, how badly damaged the front end was. We fixed it, and again, customer opted to do a full customization to his Rolls Royce Wraith. So we're fixing the badly damaged front end. We're also wrapping the top satin black. We're doing a blackout. We're doing wheels and tires. We're doing lowering, the whole bang on this car. So you get into accident, you want to fix it, you want to customize the car, we do it all at the same time, no problem. We're more than capable. So right now we're more than 50% done. The front end is fixed. We are doing the wrap work on it. We're going to be receiving the 24-inch 4G Auto wheels tomorrow, put it all together, we'll have the car done for the weekend. Today, car facts with Vic. Let's go. So, Spirit of Ecstasy, you guys have heard a lot about it, how much it costs, but have you guys heard where it came from? That Spirit of Ecstasy was not Rolls Royce's original logo. They had their regular RR logo. However, in 1909, Montague commissioned an artist, a sculpturist, to actually create the Spirit of Ecstasy. Actually, it was based off of another woman, so there's a crazy little love story there. But that's how it got created, and then it pretty much got passed on and became Rolls Royce's Spirit of Ecstasy.
So we have a Toyota Camry here. This car is in here for a few things. We're doing a serpentine belt on it, along with a radiator cap, thermostatic gasket on this car, and also a water pump unit on this car, and a service after it's done.
Just completed this Rolls Royce Wraith behind me. This is one of two we're finishing up today. Very similar theme, same colors. However, this has our RDB wheels on it, which looks incredible. The other Rolls Royce, we opted to do a one-piece wheel, different design. So this is our signature two-tone black modification on the Wraith. We're gonna take it out for a car wash. It just got tinted up, and once we wash it, we're gonna get the other one involved. We're gonna finish that too and shoot both of them together. I think it's gonna be really cool footage, so stay tuned on that. Alright, with this Rolls Royce, a signature RDB wheel, 24-inch. Looks amazing with the factory center cap. We can make this wheel for any car. So Rolls Royce, BMW, Audi, G-Wagons, anything you want, we can make the RDB wheels for it. Our signature two-tone black. Looks crazy. All the trims were blacked out as well, so no chrome. We wrapped all the trims, fully reversible. So you got your Rolls Royce, you can make it look sinister with us, and then you want to give it back or sell it and you want it to be stock again, you could unwrap it and it's back to stock. So on this Wraith in particular, we went with a one-piece 24-inch wheel. The one-piece is more forgiving for potholes, but you can't get as crazy as three-piece. But these one-piece wheels with their fat face with all the little spokes look amazing on this car. Also, again, factory Rolls Royce cap. Car looks stunning with the wheels. Both the Rolls Royces are done now. Very, very hot day in LA, record-breaking day. But we're gonna go take the cars around the block, make sure they drive right, and then we're gonna give you some dope content with these two crazy Rolls Royce Wraiths. Thanks for watching another RDB episode. We're getting better and better at this. We're working very, very hard here on cars and getting you guys content. You guys already know we give you guys lots of cars in one episode. We do 2 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays. This video you just watched, those 2 Wraiths get done at the same time. Looks amazing. Comment below, let us know which one you like more.